Hello! With the imminent release of macOS Monterey coming this fall, and with so many features and enhancements packed in macOS Monterey to cover in just one episode, I've decided to break it down and make it into a series. So let's get started with episode 1. In this first episode titled macOS Monterey Making It Personal, let's start off and take a look at just some of the many personalization and cool features in macOS Monterey. In no particular order, the mouse pointer. It's now possible to change the outline and fill color of the mouse pointer according to your personal preferences. Let's take a look how to do this. Launch System Preferences and then click on the accessibility icon. Select the display option from the sidebar and click on the pointer tab to begin. Choose a fill and outline color and resize the pointer if required. I usually have a test image to see how different colored pointers will look as shown. Incidentally, it's not just the mouse pointer that's customized. Insertion point, crosshair, hand or other shapes are also affected as demonstrated. Moving on, live text. Oh yes, one of my favorite features. In macOS Monterey, text is completely interactive in all your photos. Use functions like copy and paste, lookup and translate. Let's check out these functions on the following photos. I'll just translate a few photos by simply highlighting the text on the photo, then right-click and choose the translate function. Let's do one more. After opening up a photo with some handwritten text on it, hovering over any text links, you have the following options. To have a quick look of the link and choose to open in Safari, or by clicking open to open the link directly in Safari as shown. Next, I'll just copy and paste the quoted text to Notes. Like before, after highlighting some text, right-click the mouse button and select the function required. In our case, copy or share the text to Notes as shown. As demonstrated, live text works pretty well on photos in macOS Monterey. Another cool feature in macOS Monterey is automatic window resizing. For those of you like myself who have different size dual monitors, it's now easier than ever before to use different size monitors. What I mean is the following. As shown, one of my pet peeves in macOS has to do with using dual monitors of different sizes. In earlier macOS versions, when moving a window from one monitor to another different size monitor, resizing of the window was always necessary and annoying to do on the larger monitor every time. Not anymore. A welcome feature in macOS Monterey is the automatic window resizing. As you can see, moving or dragging a window to a different size monitor screen or vice versa, the window is resized automatically. Nice touch. Now, let's take a look at QuickNote. As Apple puts it, QuickNote is a quick way to capture and organize your thoughts without interrupting your current workflow. Let's take a look at the different ways of how to launch QuickNote in macOS Monterey. There are 3 ways to launch QuickNote. The quickest way is by executing the default keyboard shortcut combination, function or FN on your keyboard and Q. Pressing function Q at any time launches QuickNote. To change the keyboard shortcut, launch System Preferences. Then click on the keyboard icon and then on the Shortcuts tab. From the left sidebar, click Mission Control. Now scroll down to view or change the default QuickNote keyboard shortcut. I'll leave mine on the default. The second way to launch QuickNote is to assign hot corners. From System Preferences, hot corners can be found in 2 sections by clicking on Mission Control or Desktop and Screen icons. From Mission Control, the Hot Corners button can be found on the bottom left-hand corner of the window, and from Desktop and Screensaver on the bottom right-hand corner of the window. After clicking on the Hot Corners button, select the corner of your screen to use to launch QuickNote. I'll choose the bottom right hand corner of my screen, and after clicking on the drop down list, click on QuickNote. Now Anytime the mouse pointer is dragged to the bottom right hand corner of the screen, QuickNote will be launched. The third option is by simply highlighting some text, then right-click on the mouse button and choose to add to QuickNote as shown. The beauty of QuickNote is the following. After highlighting and creating a QuickNote in, say, Safari, QuickNote remembers or preserves what was highlighted. For example, launching a QuickNote from Notes, it goes directly to the highlighted link page. It should be noted, pardon the pun, as shown, the default format that QuickNote creates notes is by resuming or appending onto the last note taken. If you prefer to always create a new individual QuickNote instead, do the following. Launch the Notes app, then click on Notes on the menu bar and then scroll and select Preferences. Simply uncheck Resume Last QuickNote. Now, when launching QuickNote, individual QuickNotes are created. Moving on, Memoji. Personalize the login screen with your own Memoji. This is one of my favorite features in macOS Monterey. Making your login screen personal on your Mac with your very own custom Memoji has never been so simple and easy to do. Launch System Preferences and click on the User and Groups icon. Now, click on your profile icon. From here, select from a list of default Memoji, or create your very own by clicking on the plus symbol. Play around with a vast variety of settings to truly personalize your Memoji as shown. After you're done, optionally select a pose and background color and then click the Save button. To edit your Memoji at any time, simply click on your Memoji and click on the Edit button, or simply create another. Let's see how the Memoji looks on the login screen. Cool! I'll just round up this episode by listing which Macs can run macOS Monterey. The following Mac models listed here is compatible with macOS Monterey. I've included links for all Mac models able to run macOS Monterey in the description below. I've also included a table of contents in the description below to help you quickly find topics of interest to watch that was mentioned in this episode. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up if you liked this episode. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to be notified of the next upcoming episode from our macOS Monterey series. Peace!